like magic? Yeah, good, okay.
Joseph.
Joseph, Alexander, nice to meet you.
From Malta, by the way.
Slovenia. Can you shuffle cards?
No, I don't know, but I will
Yeah,
try.
okay, good.
I do it myself. Then
First, I need you to take a card, one card. Anyone? Remember it? Okay. Don't forget it. You have it? Okay. Gonna take your card, gonna put it somewhere inside. Okay, like that. Okay, watch this. Say stop.
stop.
Right over here? You said stop over here. Now watch. Was this your card? It wasn't? Okay. Now we're gonna take this card. Can you put your hands like this? Put your other hand on top. On top? Yeah, hold it like that. Okay. Focus on your card. Okay? Lift up your hand.
Yes, that's it. Good.
Put your those raspberries again. He won't eat it. Okay? Put your hands on top. Hold it. Look at me in the eyes. Think about the card. Okay, watch this. Up.
Oh my god. Can I take it?
Yes.
Aleksander.
Aleksandar i Aleksandra, odlično. Imam jedno pitanje za tebe. Jer znaš šta je origami?
Origami,
ja. Da, šta ćeš ti željeti da napraviš s origami? Ne znam.
Koji oblik, jel?
Da, oblike.
Labut.
Labut, okej, može labut. Ja imam kod sebe jedan, kako vi kažete ovo? Maramica za nos, jel? Može da mi pomagaš, Mara? Jer je normalna maramica, ja, normalna, da? Ja, normalna, da? Labuda. Možeš da mi pomožeš malo? Samo drži ovako. Gledaj sad. Ako da uzmem ovaj maramicu, gledaj maramicu, samo da napravim ovako.
Labut, evo ga, labut. Još malo. Bravo. Bravo. Ekstra, bravo.
Stigneš svoje roke tako naprej. Ja, malo bliže meni pridi. Tako, super, malo tako. Ok, drži tako, ok. Kako ti je ime?
Vesna.
Vesna. Ti prihajaš iz teh koncev tu?
Ja.
Ja, iz Portoroža? Nove Gorice, ok. Daj, Vesna, jaz imam s sabo marker, ok, alkoholca, in si bom na svoje roki naredil en tak X. Ok, predo? Če vzamem X iz svoje roke, in se lahko pojavi na tvoje roke. Obrni to roko, obrni. Že imaš X na svoje.
Kaj? Dobra.
What's your favorite card?
Queen of Hearts.
Queen of Hearts. Okay, that's a good card. That's a very good card. Barbara, gonna take your queen. Okay, take the queen. Okay. I have with me one Sharpie. I want you to write your name on the card. This is your card. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Barbara, give me the card. Okay, I'm gonna show it to the camera. Okay. This is your card. Okay. Can you put your hands like this? Okay. We're gonna take your card. Okay. I'm gonna put it inside your hand. Put your other hand on top, hold it. I'm gonna take another card, okay? Another card is the 9 of spades. Okay, this is gonna be my card, okay? Watch the 9 of spades. We're gonna take the 9 of spades. If I just go like this, don't move, okay? Did you feel anything?
Nothing.
Watch. Your card came to my hand, and you have my card.
How did you do that?
Can you keep a secret?
Yes.
Me too.
Okay.